Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 90th May. And first of all, national news. ISRO launched EOS-09 satellite aboard PSLV C-61. NCC cadets average age 19, scale Everest and hoist tricolor. IMD warned of heavy rains in south and northeast heat wave in Rajasthan. IIT Delhi launched Manasvi Mentorship for high school girls in STEM. Home Minister Amit Shah hailed Operation Sindoor as turning point in India's security doctrine. Constitution of India Supreme, its pillars must work together. CJI Gawai. Now international news. World's first human bladder transplant performed in California. Romania began presidential runoff between George Simeon and Nikuza Dan. Houston launched countdown to 11th International Yoga Day across US. US President Trump to speak with Russian and Ukrainian presidents to push for ceasefire deal. Israel and Hamas resume negotiations to end their ongoing war in Gaza. Now sports news. Football Association Cup Final 2025 Crystal Palace pull off. Famous upset by beating Man City 1-0. Business related news. Foreign investors poured 18,600 crore rupees into Indian stocks in May. India limited Bangladeshi imports to two ports in reciprocal trade move. India EU concluded another round of FTA talks, the likely in two phases. And that's all in news. Thank you.